Welcome to our luxury apartment with sea views and pool. Here you have the kitchen, which is full of little details that make this property really luxury, like for example a wine fridge. Also, while you cook, you can enjoy these amazing views. One of the best things of this apartment are the views. You can see Africa, you can see the whole coast. You are surrounded by the nice mountains of Mijas. It's amazing. The actual name of this property is Eagle's Nest, and I can understand why. Also, the location is great. 1 minute walking distance, you have restaurants and also bars, shops, everything. The bus stop is just here, a few meters walking. Here you can see the bedroom that has a lot of light, sunlight, and a little balcony. The property has underfloor heating, even in the bathroom, which is here.